All right, so in this video, we're going to talk about the importance of getting educated. You know, there's a lot of people out there who are passive investors and active investors. And usually people who are passive investors is simply because they don't have the time to become active. However, it's super important to still get educated whether you are a passive investor or not. I've got a story that I want to share with you. Unfortunately, it doesn't end with a good ending. There was a highly respected real estate investor here locally who earned the trust of a lot of different people, borrowed millions of dollars of these people, and it turned out to be somewhat of a Ponzi scheme. So by the time it was all said and done, and lots of investors had filed this lawsuit, sadly for this individual, he just was sentenced to 3 years and 7 months of prison. Now, it's obviously very sad that this individual has to go spend prison time, but it's also super sad that he lost a lot of people's money. So the point of this video is whether you are a passive investor or an active investor, it's critical you still get educated and don't necessarily trust people on your power team to make those important decisions for you when it comes to your own money. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, don't forget to put them down in the comment section below and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks so much.